Hello friends, I am Shweta Parmar and I welcome all of you on this Prabhat Exam channel of YouTube where we discuss about different topics related UPSC CSE examinations. Sometimes we discuss about the success stories, sometimes different topics relating preparation, and sometimes you can get information about different competitive examinations which can make you a reputed person. Before starting, just a request to all of you that please press the bell icon so that you can get the notifications on time, and if you didn't have subscribed this channel yet, then please subscribe it so that you get the notifications and we stay connected and updated all the time. So dear friends, while preparing for this UPSC Civil Services examination, time management is crucial. I understand, and I agree that you all understand this thing and we all are trying to manage this, right? But a candidate should increase his or her productivity to the fullest in the given time. This is also very important. If they desire to crack the UPSC examinations, they have to work for the management of time. Now the big question is, how can aspirants prepare for the exam by making maximum utilization of resources in the given time? So here I have brought you some tips to improve your productivity for IAS exam preparation and to clear UPSC CSE examinations. So what are the important tips? Do you know, my dear friends? I agree that you know many things because you are going through this examination, you are preparing for these examinations, but still few things I also want to add. If you are already doing it, it's perfect. If not, then add a little. So first tip is organize your study plan. Make plans and the best timetable for IAS preparation. This is because without prior planning, you cannot have an organized study. Thus, before you start your studies, you should gather all the necessary information regarding the examinations. The pattern, the syllabus, the books, everything which is required. All these should be known to you. Tip number 2, get out of your comfort zone. If you want to increase your productivity, you are going to have to get out of your comfort zone and venture into the unknown. Because if you are being in your comfort zone and you are being comfortable doing like we'll do it, then you can never do it. So you have to work a little hard to attain that position. You have to be brave enough to face the challenges. You can go through a phase of stress and anxiety while preparing, but you should keep in mind that you have to keep going. You don't have to stop. Tip number 3, when in doubt, clear them. If you are a civil service aspirant, you might not have any inkling as to how to start preparing for the exam. If you want to optimize your studies, you might want to think of taking guidance from expert faculties or other people which you think they can help you, support you in your studies, who have always been there. Do that. Their advice will help you when you attempt the exam. Tip number 4, analyze everything you study in the UPSC exams. The big picture is very important. If you focus too much on the minute details, you might forget the big picture. So link whatever you read, see or hear to the UPSC syllabus and just link it. You should relate the topics you go through with the subjects that are there in your syllabus. That way you will do better and you will prepare the best no matter the topics are that will be asked in the exam, because you are preparing yourself to the core with the tips. Tip number 5, avoid multitasking. Yes, my dear friends, we are always try that we'll do this, everything, but no, avoid multitasking. A sure, short way of decreasing productivity is multitasking. Multitasking should be avoided as much as possible. Focusing on a single activity enables you to finish it sooner. Your concentration comes down when you try to do many things at one time, and in the process you may not even complete the task you take out to set out to do in the first place. Number 6. Stay focused on the path ahead. You should keep in mind you have to stand again whenever you fall. The past doesn't change, but the future would be a repetition of the past if you dwell on the past. Remember, the future would be a repetition of the past if you dwell on the past. If you want to crack the IAS exams, focus on the upcoming examinations and not on your prior academic experience, be it good or bad. And last and the most important tip, 7th tip, avoid negative influence. Yes, my dear friends, by negative influence, we mean to say that those people who would be a liability to you, such as people will cast seeds of doubt in your mind and hence will dampen your productivity. Avoiding such people and being around positive and happy people will certainly bolster your productivity. You should not get affected by the negative comments of the people, and always keep your focus on your goal. This is the most important tip I want to give you. So these are few tips which can make you to be the winner, to crack these examinations and to attain success. So we'll be get in touch again very soon. Till then, take care, stay blessed, and yes, please press the bell icon if not yet done so that you can get the notifications and stay updated, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you.